Let's discuss what are entities. Entities are the words or the group of words which represent an information about common things such as persons, locations, organizations, etc. These group of words or phrases generally belongs to the noun part of speech families and are either subjects or objects in the sentence. For example, consider a sentence: "The president will meet the chairman of the company in the capital city." In this sentence, the entities are the president, the chairman, the company, and the capital city because these phrases represent common things such as persons, locations, etc. So, what are named entities? Those entities in the text having proper noun as the part of speech tags and having proper naming are called named entities. For example, consider an alternate sentence: Donald Trump will meet the chairman of Google in the New York City. In this case, the entities are Donald Trump, the chairman, Google, New York City. But the named entities are Donald Trump, Google, and New York City because these entities have proper names and have proper noun as the part of speech tag. Named entity extraction is a step-by-step process to find those noun phrases from text data which are also named entities. One of the key property of noun phrases is that they are connected to the root of a tree or a smaller subtree in the dependency graph by direct object or direct subject relationships. For example, consider the sentence: John wants to purchase a new Samsung phone. The dependency graph of this sentence will look something like this, in which the word purchase is the main verb and it acts as the root of the sentence. This root has three leaves. One corresponds to the word wants, connected by the complement relation. Second leaf is connected by the auxiliary relation to word to. And the third connection is not a leaf, it's a phrase corresponding to a new Samsung phone connected by the direct object relation. This means that object phrase or one of the noun phrase of this sentence is a new Samsung phone. Further, the word wants is connected to John by noun subject relation, which indicates that John is subject and is also one of the noun phrase. So if we parse this tree, we can obtain two noun phrases, John and a new Samsung phone. If we now annotate this sentence with the part of speech tag, we can identify the named entities from this text. Named entities are generally represented by NNP as the part of speech tag. In this case, John and Samsung are the keywords or key entities having NNP as the part of speech tag, so they are named entities. It is important to note that named entities can be a group of words as well. For example, in the following sentence, multiple words corresponds to one named entity. For example, Martin Crowe will perform in New York City. In this sentence, named entities are Martin Crowe, New York City. In other sentence, more people invested in Facebook Inc. this year. In this sentence, named entity is Facebook Inc.